Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful lions step by step. Let's start drawing. First I'm drawing the nose, mouth, and eyes of this lion. For a round face, the lion's 2 ears. Finishing the face shape. I am drawing the front side is of a lion, the 2 front legs. Now I will draw the 2 hind legs of the lion. I will draw a tail. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Now I'm giving you a deep green color. The lion's entire face is green. Peach color. Light green color. Red color. Again, peach color. Again, dark green color in tail. Light green color in 2 legs. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!